Mm, why do you feel the need for online shopping? I mean, why do you shop online?
It's easy, first of all, lots of variety available, and what more I feel it's convenient for me. I don't have to go to the shop every time. That's why.
Okay. What was the reason when you bought something online for the first time?
For me, I started buying online. First thing which was that was books, and the major factor for buying a book, they are really at a very cheap price, especially books. So that was the primary motive. I mean, low price.
Okay. Uh, do you regularly shop online?
Yes.
What are the occasions or situations when you go for online shopping?
I don't look for any occasion, but if I'm buying for myself, I prefer online shopping. And even now, I give gifts to my friends through online shopping. Yeah.
So, generally, what kind of products do you shop online?
Everything, almost electronics, apparels, shoes, everything.
Okay. And what are the occasions or situations when you don't go for online shopping?
When I have to buy a special product for someone special, if I'm buying a sari for my mom, of course I will not prefer online shopping that time.
Okay. What are the deterrents that you face for online shopping?
Sometimes payment. So it happens that it gets deducted from my bank account, but the product is not purchased by me.
Where do you obtain the information before you purchase online?
Usually, I do lots of window shopping in this. A lot of window shopping in various websites. I usually look for good offers, and something which I really like these days, whatever I shop, whichever category. If I'm surfing some other pages, also they highlight those products to me, or some similar or related products. So that way I get the information. And regularly I get emails and messages.
Okay. Mm, before purchasing online, do you take opinions of your peers, relatives, or friends, etc.? And
Usual
to what extent do their opinions affect your decision?
Usually not. I rather prefer taking the reviews which are available on the website. I prefer that.
How do you evaluate various products considering the fact that they are not physically present in front of your eyes?
Okay, for this, I would say first time I was really hesitant, but gradually, as I started buying different products, so now I don't feel that there is a need to actually try them. And this return policy is very nice. So if you're not satisfied with the product, you can easily exchange them. That's why it's not an issue for me right now.
Do you visit the website only when you have to purchase?
No.
So, what are the occasions when you simply visit the website?
Like I said, these days they even if I'm visiting some other page, they highlight the ads. So naturally, I click to those ads.
How do you find the products that you purchase online?
Most of the time, I'm satisfied. It has only been once that when I have to return back the product. Otherwise, till date, I'm very satisfied.
So, what do you do if the product you purchase starts malfunctioning immediately after your purchase?
I would like to give one example. I bought an pen drive and it was not working. I simply lodged a complaint, and call center guy, he called me, and he was really good with me, and they exchanged without any hassle. So till now, no problems. I mean, the return back scheme is very efficient.
So, till now, what difficulties did you face while going through the entire process of online shopping?
Like I have told you, once or twice it has happened that money has been deducted from my account, and product was not purchased by me. And second, there have been one instance especially, my order was confirmed and later they cancelled it and said that it is out of stock. So that was bad.
So after facing these difficulties, what was your reaction, and did it affect your motivation of buying online next time?
No, because I simply lodged a complaint and they treated me very well.
Okay. So do you like to share your experience of online shopping with others, friends, relatives, etc.?
Yeah, whenever my friends ask me about any opinion or any product, if they have to buy, I ask them to compare on various websites, and of course, as I said, I even gift my friends online. So yeah, and also I'm very I give reviews and my feedback to various websites.
Do you purchase on the same website every time, or like to experience different ones?
I like to experience different websites.
Okay. So on how many websites have you purchased products till now?
Approximately 5 or 6.
So which one was the best as far as overall shopping experience and after services are concerned?
If we say about Flipkart, it has got more number of products. And electronics, books, apparels, sports, everything is there. So I prefer Flipkart. And for some, I prefer Healthcart when some specific sports product I have to buy. Otherwise, I also buy from Jabong and Myntra, and even from Snapdeal, India Times Shopping. Yeah.
Okay. So what modifications or changes would you like to see in the services provided by these online retailers?
As of now, the reviews are very less. I have seen websites like Amazon reviews are excellent, and I've also seen some other websites. I mean, which don't operate right now in India. I mean, the review system is reviews through which you can know about the product. They are better in comparison to Indian companies as of now.
Now this is a general question. How do you see online shopping vis-a-vis in-store shopping?
I prefer online shopping because assortment, product variety and assortment is, I mean, deep assortment. You can find from, I mean, if I'm buying a shoe, I can select from around 1000 or 1500 shoes, so it's easy for me.
Would you like to give any advice to those who haven't shopped online till now?
Yeah, I think they should go for it because it's easy and very convenient, and of course, you will find something what you want. I mean, you don't have to compromise with your choices. I mean, usually it happens when I go to a shop, I want to have a particular kind of product, but the shopkeeper or the retailer says that company does not manufactures that particular product, which I know it's not true. So that really disappoints me. So that's why I prefer online.
Okay. How much price would you like to pay online while shopping?
I have done, I mean, costly shopping, so I can go till 50k, 50,000 easily.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.